Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to change the Instagram app icon on iPhone.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Instagram is celebrating its 10th birthday by letting you can change the app icon throughout the month of October 2020. There are a dozen options to choose from, including the classic Polaroid icon. Watch this full video to learn how to change the Instagram app icon on your iPhone. Make sure your Instagram app is fully updated, and then open up the app. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the hamburger menu icon from the top right corner. From the pop-up window, choose the Settings option. In the Settings page, swipe down from the top of the screen. Continue swiping down until you see a line of emojis. You are now on the Hidden App Icon screen. Here are all the available Instagram app icon options. Select the app icon you want to switch to. You can choose the classic Polaroid camera, Instagram's original logo, or any of the other custom icons. The icon will be changed, and you will see a pop-up message confirming the change. Tap the OK button to dismiss this pop-up. Now when you go back to your iPhone's home screen, you will see the updated app icon. You can go back and change the app icon at any time, while the feature is still available in the Instagram app. So in this way, you can change the Instagram app icon on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.